Hey screen printers, this is Buck Primo with the ROQ US Tech team. We are at the ROQ Tech Center going over all of the equipment that we have here. ROQ Next XL 16 pallet, 12 color. ROQ Eco L 16 pallet, 9 color machine with the ROQ Hybrid. ROQ Sahara 3011E electric dryer. ROQYOU M 8 pallet, 6 color with the tag bot. ROQ Folds, ROQ Pack, ROQ Label. If you'd like to come and schedule a time to visit and demo this equipment, you can visit us at ROQ.US or call 187-ROQ-IT-NOW to make that appointment. You can also go and schedule a class with the MADE team at madelabs.io. That's Learn to ROQ and Made to ROQ classes. Get your hands on some of this ROQ equipment.